Hello guys, welcome. Today let's see the most frequently asked interview questions, which is nothing but like a program to get size of any variable without using size of function. What is this size of function? Size of function is nothing but it is a default function which returns the size of any variable that is supplied as input. So the size of function returns a integer which is nothing but the size of input variable. So let's see how it works. Let me declare some variables int a of different types, int a, char b, and float c, and double d. Okay, for this let me use size of function to get the size of these variables. So c out uh, size of a equals I'm using size of function over here, size of a, and if you see, okay, let me write for every variable here so that you will understand it. Size of b, size of c, size of d, here b, c, d. If I run this, uh, you can see the size of a variable depends on its data type. For int, the size of a variable is the size of the memory allocated for a variable of int type is 4, and the memory allocated for a variable of char type is 1 byte, and the memory allocated for a variable of float type is 4 bytes, and the memory allocated for a variable of double type is 8 bytes. Like from this we can say that the memory allocated for a variable depends on its data type. So different variables of different data type has different sizes. So this is how we the size or allocated memory differs based on the data type. So now we calculated the size or memory allocated using size of here. Now let's see how we can achieve this without using a size of function. So let me write int size because the size is a integer. So int size. Let me write char star ampersand a. Let me calculate the size of int a without using size of function. A plus 1 minus char star ampersand a. Okay, let me print what I got it in C. Size of a, let's write size of a is equals to, I'm writing here size, just size variable. If I run it and check, you can see the size of a is 4 over here without use of any size of function, and also the size of a is 4 which is achieved using the size of operator. So here we can see we can also get the size of any variable without using the size of operator. So this is how we can achieve this. Like ampersand a address of the next element after leaving the size or space that is needed by a variable a. Okay, and I am doing char star to ensure that the pointer arithmetic is done byte by byte. Like ampersand a plus 1. What if a is a character variable? Then ampersand a plus 1 will leave just 1 byte of space and gives the address of the next element. And if the a is an integer, then ampersand a plus 1, what it does is it leaves 4 bytes and give the address of the next element. So by typecasting it to char star, it ensures the difference is calculated in bytes. So char star, by writing char star, if I write, let's say if I write int star, instead, then the size will be 1, because 4 bytes are treated as one unit. 4 bytes are treated as one unit in integer arithmetic, and 1 byte is treated as one unit in char star arithmetic, and 4 bytes are treated as one unit in integer arithmetic. So I want size in bytes, so I am using char star over here. So if this is how we achieve we can get the size of any variable without using the size of operator. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section, and if you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.